Let's take a look at how to use the child locks on the Tesla Model Y. So the first thing we're going to do here is go into the settings. We're going to press the little car icon down here. And then you can see the child lock settings are over here. So I can press this. Right now I've got it engaged. And I can decide, do I want to do a child lock on the left, on the right, or for both? Or I can switch it off completely. So if I've got just adults in the car, they'll need to do that. And then the sides are kind of helpful if you've got a kid just on one side of the car, like in a car seat, and you don't want them grabbing the door handle. I could say, okay, just do the child lock on the left. That still lets me get in the right if I want to come and do that. Or again, I can switch everything off. I'm going to put it back the way I had it onto both. Now, this is not technically a child lock, but the window lock is really helpful too. So if your kids like to play with the windows, you can do the window lock. Now, you can still control the windows from the controls up in the front here, but they won't be able to do it from the back when the window lock is on. So I like to have both the window lock and the both sides child lock when I have my kids in the car.